Hello guys, I am Shanmugapriya, lecturer in SNS College of Allied Health Science. Today we are going to continue with the topic closed circuits. In the past 3 classes we have already seen about open, semi-open and semi-closed circuits. So basically in a closed circuit, the expiratory gases passes through the expiratory limb to reach the canister containing Sodalime. Sodalime absorbs the carbon dioxide from these expired gases and the same gases are reused by the patient. Since no gases are venting out in the atmosphere, these are considered as closed circuits. It is also called as rebreathing circuit. As the same gases are being reused, only the oxygen consumed by the body need to be replaced, requiring very low flows, and that is why the anesthesia given with closed circuit is called as low flow anesthesia. And no environmental pollution. There are two types of closed circuits, circle system and to and fro system. To and fro is not used nowadays, and the circle system is most commonly used type of closed circuit. This is a schematic diagram of closed circuits. Components of closed circuits. We have two limbs, that is one inspiratory limb, another one is expiratory limb. And we have two unidirectional valves. One is inspiratory valve, another one is expiratory valve. These valves maintain the unidirectional flow of gases and ensures the expiratory gases does not enter the inspiratory limb and vice versa. Oxygen analyzer, it is fitted in the inspiratory limb. It measures the final delivered concentration of oxygen to the patient. Flow sensor, it is connected at the end of breathing circuit. It collects a sample from expiratory gases and deliver it to the monitor to EtCO2, expired tidal volume, expiratory rate and airway pressure. The next is Sodalime or carbon dioxide absorbent. Sodalime is the most commonly used carbon dioxide absorbent. The reaction between Sodalime and carbon dioxide is exothermic reaction. Therefore, heat and water is produced during this reaction. Composition. Calcium hydroxide is about 94%, sodium hydroxide is 5%, potassium hydroxide 1%, and silica is also used to prevent the dust formation. And some color indicators are also added. These color indicators are present in one color before exhaustion, and after exhaustion the color changes. And the color indicator for Durosorb is pink to color change is pink to white. For ethyl violet it is white to purple, mimosa white to purple, phenolphthalein white to pink, Clayton red to yellow. Properties of Sodalime granules. Hardness of granules should be more than 75. Otherwise, there may be dust formation which may be inhaled by the patient. Sodalime is made hard by adding silica. Moisture should be 14 to 19% needed for carbon dioxide absorption. And the size of Sodalime granules is 4 to 8 mesh, that is 3 to 6 mm. As the reaction takes place on the surface of granule, air space should be greater than 50%. 100 grams of Sodalime can absorb 24 to 26 liters of carbon dioxide. For Barylime, which is another carbon dioxide absorbent, and the calcium hydroxide composition is calcium hydroxide 80%, barium hydroxide 20%, and the possibility of life-threatening fire and explosions in breathing circuits with sevoflurane, because the absorption temperature is more than 200 degrees Celsius. Reactions with inhalational agents. Sevoflurane by reacting with Sodalime can produce compound A, which is nephrotoxic. Desflurane produces carbon monoxide by reacting with Barylime, which causes respiratory distress. Trilene by reacting with sodium can produce dichloroacetylene, which is neurotoxic, and phosgene gas, which causes ARDS. Methoxyflurane and halothane can react with the rubber tubing of closed circuit. Next, Amsorb is another carbon dioxide absorbent. It consists of calcium hydroxide and calcium chloride. It do not produce compound A and carbon monoxide. Disadvantages is high cost, less absorbing capacity. Next we have lithium hydroxide, which do not produce carbon monoxide and compound A. Has more absorbing capacity than Sodalime, but disadvantages more expensive and can cause burns of skin and respiratory tract. Thank you.